Hello students, today we will do question number 3 of exercise 2.2. Here is the question: multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fractions. Let's see first part. It is 7 multiply 3 upon 5. So here first we will multiply 7 by 3. That means we will take 7 times of 3 upon 5. So it will be equal to 21 upon 5. So here numerator is bigger than denominator, so we can change it to, so here numerator is bigger than denominator, so we can change it into mixed fractions. For that we will divide 21 by 5. So it is 5 4s are 20 and 1 is remainder. So here quotient is 4 and remainder is 1. So here the mixed fraction is 4 and 1 upon 5. So it is 4 and 1/5. Second part is 4 multiply 1 upon 3. So here we will multiply 4 by 1. So we will multiply the numerators 4 and 1. So it is 4 upon 3. And when we will convert into mixed fractions, it will be 1 and 1/3, that is 1 and 1 by 3. Third part, it is given 2 multiply 6 upon 7. So when we multiply, it is 12 upon 7. 2 6 are 12, 12 upon 7. And its mixed fraction is 1 and 5 upon 7. So it is 1 is quotient, 5 is remainder. So it will be 1 and 5 upon 7. 1. Let's see fourth part. It is 5 multiply 2 upon 9. 5 2s are 10, 10 upon 9. And its mixed fraction will be 1 and 1 upon 9. Okay. So here fifth part is 2 upon 3 multiply 4. 2 4s are 8 upon 3. So it is in an improper fraction. We can change into mixed fraction. It is 2 and 2 by 3. 2 is quotient and 2 is also remainder. So 2 and 2 by 3. Let's see sixth part. It is 5 upon 2 multiply 6. So it is 5 6 are 30 upon 2. And we can simplify it. We can change into lowest form and it will be 15 upon 1. 2 1s are 2 and 2 15s are 30. So its answer will be 15 upon 1. In seventh part, it is 11 multiply 4 upon 7. So 11 4 times, that is 44 upon 7. And when we change into mixed fraction, it will be 6 and 2 upon 7. So 6 and 2 upon 7. It is a mixed fraction of this number. Now let's see eighth part. It is 20 into 4 upon 5. So here we can change into lowest form. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. And now we have 4 into 4, that is 16. Or we can write also 1. 16 upon 1 is the answer. Ninth part, 13 into 1 upon 3. So it will be 13 1s are 13 upon 3. And its mixed fraction will be 4 and 1 by 3. Because already it is in the lowest form. Now we will change into mixed fraction. It is 4 and 1 by 3. 10th part, it is 15 into 3 upon 5. So we will first reduce into lowest terms. So it is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it will be 3 into 3, that is 9. Upon 1 you can write, or you can write only 9. So this is the solution of question number 3.